Alright guys, last time we saw this DJI O4 Air unit which I used in building my drone, which is a 5-inch FPV drone. And to control the drone you would need a remote controller obviously, and to view the live footage while the drone is flying we're gonna need a pair of goggles. So this is the DJI Goggles N3, which is DJI's latest HD video goggles, and it is a scaled down version of the DJI Goggles 3. This one costs about half the price, which is $250 US, and the Goggles 3 cost $500 US. So today we are going to be talking about these goggles, which I will be using with my FPV kit. So here you got the antennas, and the goggle has a main unit with a battery unit, and it also has a tensioner through which you can adjust the tension. And this is how you place it on your head, and you can tighten it using the tensioner. So for now, I'll just remove them. On this side, we've got the power switch. So you have to press it once and hold it until you hear the beep. So inside, you can see the connections. As you can see, we can switch it from the Avatar, Neo, O4 Air and O4 Air Unit Pro. So these are the compatible devices with the goggles. And you have got your video album over here. Okay. And you've got some settings for the controller. Okay, most of the settings are enabled once the connection is made. So it's got a large single HD display with a viewfinder, and this is large enough to accommodate any kind of spectacles. So if you are wearing goggles or spectacles, you can even fit it on your head along with your specs. So the display has got a low latency of about 20 milliseconds, and the goggles are pretty lightweight, so it fits on your head and doesn't cause, you can wear it for prolonged durations. Now to control it, you've got two buttons. One is the back button and another one is a joystick through which you can access the menus and functions. It's got USB-C for charging and data transfer, and a micro SD card slot for storage. So you can put in your micro SD card slot and record the FPV footage while you're flying the drone. Prolonged use can cause fog on these lenses, so it has also got a built-in defogger, and the fan runs automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. And the battery backup is also quite good. It's about 3 to 4 hours. So this is based on DJI's OcuSync 4 HD video transmission technology, which is DJI's proprietary tech. And it is miles ahead of the analog video systems we have seen earlier in our previous builds. Now talking about the performance, you get a real world range of about 700 to 800 meters on the O4 Air Lite unit, but this is a limitation of the transmitter. So if we are using it with the O4 Air Pro unit, the range can go about 2 to 3 kilometers or even more. Now the proper way of wearing these goggles is you have to tilt your head slightly downwards so that the antennas are facing upwards. And you have to also make sure you pull out these antennas before you get started, and try to maintain a clear line of sight with the drone so that you can maximize your range. So overall, this is a huge upgrade from analog video systems, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who's looking to switch to HD or digital video systems from analog. And that's it for the goggles, and I'll see you guys in the next video.